Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain and teach you how to install Linux alongside with Windows on your physical computer, not a virtual machine. So I explained here the steps, what to do in order to install Linux with Windows. So let's start with first step. Make a bootable pen drive. So we need to make a bootable pen drive. We can use many softwares to do this, but for me I prefer Rufus. It's a free tool for making bootable pen drive. So we make the bootable pen drive, burn the ISO image to that pen drive, and the next step is make some free space on your disk to install Linux on. So we need to make some free space on our disk. I will show you how. Then third step, restart your computer, then hit on the bootable key to enter the BIOS mode. So I will teach you everything. And then after we get to the BIOS mode, we need to change the booting order to boot from the pen drive, because it's by default it will boot from Windows booting manager. So we change the booting order. Then after that we start installation and including Linux partitioning of the disk. So here Linux partitioning is very you should be very careful when doing this, because any mistake it will lead to erase your data or your operating system, Windows operating system. So you need to be very careful. Okay, the last step, installation finished. Now after powering on your computer, you can choose whether to use Linux or Windows. So let's start with first one, make a bootable pen drive. So we will go to here. I will go to Rufus, and then here you need to plug in your pen drive. I already plugged my pen drive and it's shown here. It's this one, not this one, this one, 64 gigabyte. And then here we need to choose the ISO image. Also ISO image you can download it from the official website. I will use Linux Mint in this tutorial. You can choose any type of Linux you want. Now ISO image is attached here. I will leave everything as default. Here it will format the pen drive in FAT32. It's by default and don't change it. Yes. So I will start here as default. Okay. Okay. Here is warning me that he will erase everything. So okay. Now partitioning started. Burning started. Now let's leave this. The next step is to go to this PC, right click, show more options, and go to manage. From here you need to go to disk management, and here you can find all your disks. Now I need to install Linux on this one, in disk 1. it's almost near to 120 gigabyte. So I will format these two. I will delete the partition. So right click on delete volume, but you need to be sure that there is nothing on this disk. Any partition you need to download Linux on, you need to know that you don't have any data. Then I will delete volume. Okay, deleted. Also this one, delete volume. Yes. Now I have unallocated free space. I will install Linux on this. So this is the second step. Here still this is not finished, but I will talk about the third step, which is restarting your computer and then pressing on the bootable key. Here I have an image showing boot options entry key for every brand of computer. For example, Dell. In laptop, if you have a laptop Dell, then you need to press F12. F12 is for booting and getting to BIOS. It's for getting inside BIOS mode. And for desktop computer, for brand Dell, you need to hit on escape. For example, for Lenovo, also F12. For it's most of them they are F12, but you need to get sure. You can search online and get sure what is your bootable key for your brand, computer brand. So let's wait this till it finish. Then we will continue. I'm going to pause the video and I will get back to you soon. Hi, back again. Now burning finished, and I will close this. And I already make free space on my disk. So now I need to restart my computer. So I will record from my phone, from my camera. So I will restart now. Hi guys, now I'm going to restart, and I need to press on F12 here. Now it's I need to keep pressing before the logo come. Okay, now finish. Now I'm inside BIOS system, BIOS mode. As you see, this is my BIOS. Now I will go here to BIOS. I will go to BIOS setup, and then boot configuration. Here I need to change to, it should be Windows Boot Manager should be at the beginning, but I was installing Linux before, so it's now using the Ubuntu Boot Manager. Now never mind. Now I need this pen drive. This is my pen drive, bootable flash disk. I need to bring it up to the top. So I will hit on this multiple times and make it on the top. Now just apply changes, and here I need to hit OK. Now then I need to exit. Now it's booting from my pen drive. Okay. First option, which is Start Linux Mint. I'll hit enter. This is the Linux Mint logo, but it's not very clear. Okay, done. I'm now inside Linux. Here is telling me there is no Wi-Fi. I'll go here. I'll choose my wireless Wi-Fi hotspot. It's not mandatory to, but I will use it. So now Wi-Fi connected. Now I need to go here to install Linux Mint, this option. Hi again. Now I'm recording from inside Linux. So let's start our installation. Install Linux Mint. It may take some time. Okay, now I'll choose English. Continue. Here, my keyboard layout, also English. Continue. Install multimedia codecs. I don't need. Continue. Okay, it's telling me you will not be able to create, delete, or resize. Okay. Now I will go with something else. just follow me and you choose this option. Don't ever choose erase disk and install Linux Mint, so it will erase your operating system, your Windows, and when we don't want that. The first one, install Linux Mint alongside Windows Boot Manager, but it will partition everything as it need. So it will partition everything based on Linux opinion, but we need to partition by ourselves, resize partitioning, and let's go with something else. Continue. Here I already made a free space. Let's find the free space I made. So as you see, it's a little bit complicated, but you just search for the free space. Here I have 128 giga free space. Here free space 1 mega, free space 1 mega, also free space 1 mega. So this is our free space. So I will hit on this, then I will hit on plus icon. Here I need first to make 20 giga to 50 giga for the root mount point here. So I need to choose mount point and choose the root. I need to give from 20 to 50 giga. So I will give 20 giga, and I'll choose ext4 and then root. Hit on OK. Then go back to we go back to the free space. We hit on the free space. Now we need to make another mount points. We make for home, but first I need to make a swap. Let's make a swap first. Just click on this and choose swap area, and for swap area there is a golden rule which says the swap area is the double size of your RAM size, random access memory size. So in my case it's in my case RAM is 8 giga, so I will choose 16 giga for the swap area. So the swap area, in simple words, it's like a buffer or a storage supporting your RAM. So if the RAM is full, swap area will help the RAM. So I will hit on OK. Then I go back again to free space, this one, and hit on the plus icon. Then the rest free space I will put it as home, for the home directory, and also ext4. So hit on OK. Now I'm done. Now I need to install now. Here, device for bootloader installation, I will keep it as it is. So install now. It's telling me that the changes will be applied and it will erase everything. Continue. Here you choose your place. Continue. your name, choose a password. I'll choose a simple password. Okay, require my password to log in. Continue. Now it's installing. Okay, now installation has finished. You can continue testing, but until you restart the computer, any changes you make or document you save will not be preserved. Okay, continue testing because I need to take the video recording I made. Now I'm going to restart my computer. Let's restart. Now I should see an option. Here it's saying please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Okay, I will remove the pen drive. Let me remove the pen drive and then press enter. Now let me show you what's written. It's written here first thing Linux Mint, and the third one Windows Boot Manager. So if I want to go to Linux, I go to the first one. If I want to go to Windows, I go to the third one. Let's try to go to Linux. Linux Mint logo appeared. It's not showing. My camera is not very good. My mobile camera. Okay, Linux Mint. Type the password. Hit enter. Now I'm inside Linux. Welcome to Linux Mint. And now if I want to go to Windows, just restart. And choose Windows. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like. So Windows Boot Manager. Now I'm inside Windows. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you, and if you like it, please subscribe. Goodbye. See you in the next video.